Hello everybody, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am reviewing Swagbucks. It is a site to make money by taking surveys and do other things to earn points and make some extra money. So Swagbucks is one of the most established and biggest sites for making money by taking surveys. And here's the site. You basically earn points by shopping online, watching videos, doing some web searches, and the most popular is answering surveys. And then you can cash out either with gift cards or to your PayPal account. And they paid out over $378 million. So without a doubt, this is a huge and well-established survey company. And let's look at some testimonials. This is Trustpilot. It's one of the most trusted review sites, and for Swagbucks it's got over 14,600 reviews with a rating of excellent, 4.5 stars. And I'll leave the link below this video so you guys can check that out yourself. And signing up for Swagbucks is free, and actually you also get $10 bonus for signing up. I'll leave the link below this video. So I'll show you guys how the sign up process works and see what kind of rewards and offers and surveys they have available at Swagbucks. So to get started, you can sign up with email and a password or with your Facebook login. I'm going to sign up with my email. Okay, let's click on sign up. Okay, right away you're presented with some of these offers already. Adding the swag button. It's a Chrome extension, so let me check that out. So the swag button has close to 800,000 users, 11,800 reviews with a 4 out of 5 star rating. So it seems pretty good. So what does it do exactly? So it actually seems pretty useful. Anytime you're shopping online, the swag button will alert you with coupons and available cashback deals. So let me try to install it. Add extension. Okay, so I added the extension and I got the 50 SB points for that right here. So here's the number of points I have. And it says disable ad blocker on Swagbucks. So let's do that. Alright, so this is your account main screen. So there's a lot of action going on here, a lot of things, mostly shopping deals. And there's some pretty good deals on here, like Groupon. I use that all the time. And then there's Amazon deals and a lot of cashback deals and a lot of popular places as well. Walmart, Living Social, Macy's, TripAdvisor, Target. Alright, let's check out this one first. Get paid for your opinion, 5 SB. So let's earn this quick 5 SB. What is your gender and what is your age? Alright. Okay, so just got done with those survey questions, and now I've been taken to the screen right here. There's one more screen or page to answer more questions, and this is an honor system where you have to try and answer these questions as honest as you can, or else they may deactivate your account. Okay, so let's continue. Alright, so here are the surveys I am qualified to do. There's quite a few of them, and this one takes approximately 50 minutes for 250 SB. So this would be equivalent to $2.50. So let me try to see if I can show you guys an example of a quick survey. Okay, so we have a 3-minute one right here, so let me see what that looks like. Let's start the survey. Okay, more questions about my gender and race. Okay, so I'll finish the survey and get back to you guys at the end of the survey and see what that looks like. And they prevent you from just randomly picking questions to rack up your survey points by throwing out these tricky questions right here to see if you answer the questions honestly as you can. So you do want to get through the surveys as quickly as possible to rack up your points and make some money, but watch out for these tricky questions. Okay, so I completed that survey and I'm not sure why it says that I didn't make it to the end. Maybe I didn't fit their demographics or something. So they gave me 3 SB for the survey. Okay, so this is my main dashboard for the surveys, and refreshing the page provides the latest surveys that are available to me. So if I take all these surveys, I think I will have approximately 2,500 to 3,000 SB, which is about $25 to $30 if I took all these surveys, and I can probably complete it in a few hours. So you can actually make about $30 today if you complete all these surveys. And one last thing, they also have a pretty good referral program. So if you sign up under my link, I will get 300 SB points, and you will also get 300 SB points when you earn 300 SB points within the first 30 days. And you can also earn 10% of your referrals earnings for the life of their account. So by referring other people, you can make some passive income. Okay, so more opportunities to make extra money. Please sign up with my link below. Thanks so much. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Webmaster for more money making opportunities online, tips and tricks and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy money making.